Hey everybody, Leantime 3.0 just hit all of our platforms, Docker, open source, and cloud, and I'm super excited to show you what we've been working on over the last few months and the milestones that we've been able to reach with Leantime 3.0. When you first log into Leantime, you'll see your personal dashboard, which really focuses on the work and the impact that you're having on goals as well as projects. Something that we added with this release is the ability to time box your tasks. By just dragging and dropping your tasks from the left side into the calendar view, you can plan out your day and ensure that everything fits with your calendar. You have the ability to import external calendars, so your tasks will align with the events that you already have on your screen. Now, this entire My Work section really focuses on the individual user, but at the heart of Leantime is, of course, our strategy, planning, and project management features. When you click onto the project select box, you will see a hierarchy of strategies, plans, and projects. Taking a look at the strategy, you see this is your strategy one-pager. It gives you a quick overview of what you as the company are working towards, executive summary, company purpose, strategic vision. And we used focus areas as strategic themes that can be either based on departments or topics of your strategy. Each of those focus areas can have a number of goals with metrics. And on the strategy level, you can define goals to be reportable by the individual projects. So you can define a project goal and the numbers from the project goal will report right into the strategic goal, so you don't have to hunt down any metrics anymore. Going down from a level from the strategic view into a plan or a portfolio view, we allow you to manage multiple projects as part of one plan, one program. And when you look at the dashboard, you'll see the current progress of each individual project within this plan, as well as the goals and the progress towards those goals. You can, again, drag and drop these projects from one stage to the next. The timeline view is a quick overview of your project timeline as well as the individual milestone timeline, as well as any dependencies you might have between those projects and milestones. Going down a level to the project view, the dashboard now has a very detailed project checklist, which gives you a step-by-step instructions of how to run and manage a project from start to finish successfully. This is a really easy way for you to view where and at what stage a project is currently at. On the top right-hand side, you see a quick project update section, which allows project managers or team managers to give a quick update on this project with red, yellow, green statuses. And those statuses will report out to the plan views and any other project-related views, so you can quickly see how a project is doing and then jump into this project to get more details. On the left side, we have our data room, think, and make section, splitting up the individual phases as well as the information you might be collecting in a project into these different areas. Under the think section, you can see our blueprints defining a project. We suggest you start with a project value canvas for all of your projects. It defines the customer segment, problem, solution, and benefit, and gives you a very quick definition of what you're trying to accomplish and who you're targeting with this project. There's a way for you to manage your ideas on an idea wall, as well as an idea Kanban to move ideas from new discovery to an actual accepted and then deferred state. In the goals section, you can manage your goals. These can be quarterly or milestone based. And as I mentioned earlier, these goals can now report into strategic goals directly using the drop-down right from this screen. Each goal can have an associated milestone representing the work that needs to be performed for this particular goal to reach its target. A milestone in Leantime is a phased milestone, which means that it's a collection of tasks with a start and end date and a goal at the end of this milestone that needs to be reached. So in this case, we can see that there's a customer discovery milestone attached to this goal, and we see it's 50% complete. The timeline section focuses on the scheduling aspect of your milestone and your tasks. On the timeline overview here, you see a Gantt-like feature allowing you to move, drag and drop your milestones and tasks on this timeline. The timeline table allows you to edit those start and end dates in a table view, and you can also see the logged hours, planned hours, and the likes. The calendar view, which shows your milestones and tasks on a monthly, weekly, or even just a daily view. The to-do section is focused on the status and how we're accomplishing a task. On the Kanban board, you can drag and drop your individual tasks, assign them to milestones as well as priorities. Something that we added just recently is the ability to see your task dependencies on a Kanban board. So by just hovering over this little subtask icon, you can see that there's a dependency between task number 1 and subtasks. The table view allows you to see those tasks in the table format. You can group these by status, effort, priority, and other dimensions. And then we have the list view, which gives you a quick overview and a way to quickly change tasks. Our data room contains our wiki functionality, the ability to collect documents and any information that pertains to the project, as well as file management and then reports giving you a quick overview of some of the metrics of your project performance. We recently introduced a variety of AI features into Leantime, one of them being our AI status updater. The status updater will help you write status updates, but it will also ping each individual contributor for updates on their tasks. As you can see on my personal dashboard, I see a status message here that a status update is due and I need to write an update. By clicking on Write Update, the tasks that require an update are listed here and I can add my comment to this particular task. The AI will then take all those status updates and compile and create a status report for you that you can then edit and send out to your stakeholders. This will include a highlight section which summarizes all the updates, milestones, and goals. To close things out and summarize, Leantime has gotten a lot simpler and easier to use for the individual contributor while maintaining a level of feature richness that allows you to maintain strategies, plans, as well as projects in an easy to use manner.